Hey everyone, get the best picture quality on your Sony Bravia 4K Google TV in 2025. Adjust these settings for stunning visuals. Let's dive in. Press the quick settings button spanner or a gear icon on your remote control. Select settings, go to display and sound. Depending on your TV menu options, choose picture and sound, picture or directly select picture. From there, pick your desired option and adjust the specific settings you want to change. Step 1. Picture mode. Picture mode use cinema mode for movies and TV shows to achieve accurate colors and contrast. For gaming, switch to game mode to reduce input lag. For sports, use standard mode or IMAX. Enhance for vibrant visuals, set brightness to max. Turn off vivid colors. Ensure that the vivid color setting is turned off to maintain natural color accuracy. If desired, use vivid colors only in sports modes or specific HDR modes. Step 2. Turn off auto picture mode. Go to picture settings, turn off auto picture mode, go advanced and start editing the settings. Step 3. Brightness. Brightness set to around 45 to 50% during night, or you can set max during day. Contrast, aim for 40 to 50%. Too much contrast can distort colors, so keep it balanced for optimal detail in both bright and dark areas. Gamma settings. Gamma settings will adjust between lighten and darken shade. In calm mode, set gamma to higher value 0 to 1. For other modes, use -1 to 0, optimizing for general viewing without sacrificing black levels. Black level, set black level to 50 for HDR content. Use a low settings to enhance black depth without losing details. Set black edges to off. Turn off advanced contrast enhancement and black enhancement. Step 4. Color settings. Cooler temperature. Movies set to warm for a more natural color reproduction. Sports use natural to maintain clarity and vibrancy without oversaturation. Other modes consider using IMAX enhanced for sports or specific SDR modes. Live color, turn off live color if you want accurate color. Color settings, keep color saturation at 50, adjusting slightly higher to 51 only in vivid mode if desired. Always turn off vivid colors to preserve natural color accuracy. Hue, keep 0 for hue. Step 5. Clarity settings. Sharpness. Set sharpness between 45 to 50 for the calm mode. You may prefer a lower setting to reduce eye strain. Reality creation. For resolution lower than 4K, set reality creation to 18. For high quality 4K content, lower it to 5 or turn it off if preferred. Random noise reduction. Turn off noise reduction for high quality 4K content. Set it to medium for compressed content like broadcast signals. Digital noise reduction. Turn off digital noise reduction for 4K content. If it is broadcast signal, set it to medium. Step 6. Motion settings. Motion flow settings. Turn off motion flow entirely for most modes. For sports or high quality 4K movies, set motion flow to 1, 1 low or 1, 2 low. Sine motion. Turn off sine motion for standard TV content and PC or console connections. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.